How to record emo video call with audio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your device and scroll down your notification bar. Here, click on Screen Recorder. After you click on Screen Recorder, you will find the icon in here. While I screenshot or record a video, the icon is not showing. So in there, you'll find a gear icon, click on it. And it will open settings. In settings, click on audio source, which is the first option. In here, click on internal audio. After you click on internal audio in here, open emo and start video call. After you've started the video call, simply click on the record button with the screen recorder icon. After you click on the record button, it will be recorded, which is the video call, and you can simply click on the same button to stop your recording, and the recording will be in your gallery. You can go to your gallery and look for the call. This is how to record emo video call with audio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.